Hey everyone, today we're going to be going to Junto's studio here in Toronto for a portrait photo shoot for Paris who reached out to me. I still got a lot of messages and comments from people who are just starting out who don't have a clue how a photo shoot works or what they should do at a photo shoot. So in today's video, I want to bring you guys behind the scenes of this photo shoot just so you guys can see how a photo shoot works. My friend Will is going to be at the studio to film the behind the scenes for this video, so big thanks to him for coming out and helping me create this video for you guys. With that being said, I have to be there in about an hour and a half. So if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell to be notified when I post a new video. And I'll see you in the next one. And then maybe one up to yours. Yeah, like that. Actually, you know what? You can do the same thing on this side, just little lower, like, yeah, maybe low like. Sure. Any idea that you have in mind, we'll do it. On your stomach, and then keep this like this, and kind of like, yeah, like that. That arm. Yeah. Look up, kind of like, bring your entire head up. Now just look at your eyes here.